How to convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet. So let's start. So on our homepage, you have to go to the application of Lazada, and there you can see the homepage. And now you may want to go on the right lower portion of the screen to your account, so or your profile. So click on that one. So now that we're here, so you just have to scroll down a little bit, and you can find your wallet, so Lazada wallet. So you can click on that one. So if you haven't activated your Lazada wallet, you are free to do so. So you just have to check on that. Next thing you need to do is go to the home button, and you can see the earn coins on the top left portion of your screen. So you can click on that one. And now that you're here, so you can see that there are a lot of ways for you to earn your coins. So you just have to see. So you can play games, or you can also create a streak for you to have or earn your coins. So you just have to scroll down and explore the page. Unfortunately, you cannot convert your coins to your Lazada wallet, but the good thing is you can use it as a discount for the things that you want to buy from this app. So you just have to click anything that you want and use your coins for the discount. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.